So now we will see text color and alignment property in CSS. So guys, basically the color property is used to set the color of the text, and apart from this, the text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of a text. So we will check this with the help of examples as well in VS Code. So the very first property that we are going to see related to the text in HTML is the color property. So guys, let us move to the VS Code over here, and I'll simply remove the previous lines of code in this case, and basically we are going to have a simple heading, that is with the tag h1 over here, and we will say this is heading 1. So basically we have the statement that is this is heading 1 inside the h1 heading tag over here. Let me just save this file now, and we will also clear the lines of code that we had written previously inside the style.css. So let me just save these files now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, we have this is heading 1 over here. Now guys, by default the color of this text is black color. So what if we want to provide the different text color to this heading? So let me just go to the style.css file over here, since the HTML file is linked to the style.css by using the link tag in this case. So guys, over here we will provide the tag name, that is h1, and simply we are going to provide the color property over here. So as you can see, this is the property that we are going to use, and we can provide any color in this case in order to be reflected as the text color for this heading, that is h1 over here. So guys, what we will do is simply we are going to provide the color, that is red color in this case. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, now the color of this heading is being updated as red color. So this is the way that we can use the color property in order to update the text color for a specific HTML element. Now guys, apart from this, you can also use the hex color or the RGB values as well for the color value. So let's say we want to provide the hex value over here. So we provide hashtag followed by the red color component, that is F, and then the green color component, that is 00, and then we have the blue color component, that is 00 over here. So this will be the red color. What if we want to mix the red and green color over here? So simply we have to provide the 2 times F for the green component as well. So it will be updated to this particular color, that is the yellow color over here, which is the mixture of red color and the green color. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, this is the yellow color that is being displayed on the UI. It is not going so well with the white color background over here. So let me just change the background color as well. So in this case, we will provide the background color as black in this case. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, we have the background color is black and the text color is yellow now. So guys, this is the way that you can define the color value using the hex value or the color name or the RGB values as well. Now guys, apart from this, in order to align the text, you can use the text align property as well. So by default over here, as you can see on the UI, the text is being aligned on the left hand side. Let's say we want this text to be displayed at the center over here of this particular screen. So what we can do is simply we can use the text align property. So over here we have text hyphen align. So this is the text align property that we will be using, and it is having multiple values. So as you can see, center is the value. We also have end, justify, left, right. So basically by default, this is the value, that is left value for the text align, which is getting applied on all the HTML elements. So over here, let's say we want the text to be displayed at the center. So simply we provide the center value to the text align property. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the text is getting displayed at the center of the screen now with the help of the text align property. Similarly, if we want this text to be displayed on the right hand side of the screen, so what we can do is instead of having the center value, we can have the right value over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we are having this particular text on the right side of the browser. So this is the way that the text align property works for a particular text element, which is the part of the HTML element. Now guys, apart from this, we also have something called as text align last. So basically this reflects the alignment of the last line of a particular paragraph. So let us check that as well. So guys, in order to understand this, we need to have a paragraph which is having multiple lines over here. So let's say we have the P tag. We can also have the text inside the div tag as well. And over here we are going to simply generate the random text by using the lorem emmet abbreviation. So over here we have the simple random text that is getting generated. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, this is the text that is generated inside the paragraph tag over here. Now guys, what is the meaning of the text align last property? So basically the last line over here inside the paragraph will be aligned based on the value that we provide to this text align last property. So let us check that as well. So over here, since we have used the paragraph tag in the style.css property, we will be defining the p tag over here, and for this tag we are going to provide the text align last property. So as you can see, this is the property that we are going to use, and let's say we want the last line to be at the center of the screen. So simply we can provide the center. Apart from the center, we also have many other values. As you can see, we have justify, left, right, and so on. So basically we are going to apply the center value in this case. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the last line of this paragraph is now getting displayed at the center of the screen. Now guys, if we want to display it on the right hand side of the screen, so what we can do is simply we can provide the right value to this property over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, the last line of the paragraph is now getting displayed on the right of the screen. And apart from that, we also have something called as justify value. So let us check what happens. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, every word on this last line is now getting separated with the help of equal spaces in between them. So guys, if you want the last line of the paragraph to be displayed in this way, you can use the justify value for the text align last property inside the CSS file. So this is the working of another text align property that you can apply for the last line of a particular paragraph or the div element. Now guys, apart from this, we have something called as direction as well. So basically this will define the direction of text which will be displayed on the browser. So by default it will be left to right. So over here, as you can see, the direction of the text is from left to right. Let us check this with another example over here. So let's say we have another div tag in this case. So simply we are going to have the div tag and we will say this is a test div element. So guys, basically we have a simple, this is a test div element over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is a div element. Now guys, what is the meaning of direction CSS property? So let us provide that property in the style.css file over here. So inside this file we are going to provide the div tag in this case, and simply we are going to provide the direction CSS property. So guys, basically we have the values that is LTR, which stands for left to right, which is the default value, which means the letters will be displayed from left to right, and that is the standard way in order to display the letters. And apart from that, we also have other value that is RTL, which stands for right to left. So guys, let us check what happens in this case. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, now the text is getting displayed on the right. But in order to reverse this text, we have another property. So we can use that as well. So we have the property that is Unicode-BD. So guys, over here we are going to use this property and we say the value that is BD override. So in this case, what will happen is the letters will be displayed from the right to left direction. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So now if you see, the letters are reversed. So basically you need to read from the right to the left in order to understand the statement that is being provided inside this div element. So guys, in this way, if you want to reverse the direction of the letters that are being displayed on the UI, you can use the combination of these two CSS properties, that is direction should be RTL and the Unicode BD should be BD-override in this case. So guys, these are certain CSS properties as far as the text color and the text alignment is concerned. Comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is text decoration property in CSS. So stay tuned.